How to change country on Amazon app. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can change country on Amazon app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change country on Amazon app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Amazon application, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Now if you haven't already, you want to make sure to sign into your account. Right now, if you want to change a country, tap on this little account like icon from the bottom center right over here, which will take you to this page. Here if you look at the top right hand side, you can see a little flag icon. That flag icon indicates the country you have chosen, and the EN over there represents English, which means the language that you have chosen. So if you want to change both country and language, you can select that particular option there. So currently mine is set to United States. You can set this country to other options like India or United Kingdom or United Arab Emirates and whatever else it is that you prefer. Then you can just tap the done option to save the changes. This way you will be able to change country on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.